Big Sheila. You can see it 10 feet down. Oh, it's not bad. Probably a keeper. What is that on your line? It's all green stuff, eh? And yet you don't have it on your jig. So do you want to come back here and catch our 4? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll come back and catch our 4.
Two will be enough for short lunch, I guess. Yeah.
I think so, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Dad. We can do those today. I thought it was a bass for a second.
Good thing we have it. This is so much easier.
Yeah. Came right out. Perfect.
They're all like looking healthier.
I know, yeah.
I don't know, man.
Not healthier, just smaller.
Yeah.
But they're thick. Uh-oh. Knock my GoPro sideways. Oh. 20 and a half. Back he goes. Perfect. We just caught 3 walleye in how many minutes? Probably 10, 5. Perfect. As I was saying.
What other rods we got here? My ultralight. I should try that.
You don't have your ultralight. You have the Zebco.
Oh, Zebco.
Yeah. That's a 6.6, but it's a medium. I think it's a.
I'll stick with this. Yeah, 6.6. You know what it is? I'm just not used to it.
Yeah.
And that's why I was excited to bring it into here, because what a better place to practice, right? When I first used it on the white shelf,
Yeah.
I'm like set on a hook and like just
Yeah.
it just didn't feel right.
Yeah. Well, when I set the hook into this thing, it just feels like that. That's how it feels. It just feels good because it's like a 7-foot and it just loads up. Might be another keeper. It's got a big head on him. Oh, did he like inhale it? Oh no, it came up. Gonna have to blur that. 18. He's a little big. I'll throw him back. What?